Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and my favorite thing about this romper is how comfortable it is and how flattering it is. So I got this from Nfsion. I've been having so much fun kind of channeling its 90s vibe. This is a really simple style, but you can dress it up with a nice coat and some jewelry, or you can dress it down with a pair of combat boots and your flannel. There's a lot of possibilities on how you want to pair this. I think the V-neck in the front and the keyhole in the back just makes it really cute and even more fun to wear. I have a pear-shaped body type. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and I got the size medium. This fits me well, and I think that it drapes really nicely. Even though it's winter, I found that this is very versatile. You can wear it with a pair of fleece-lined leggings and a coat, and it works. Nfsion has a lot of colors to choose from in this style, so just go crazy and get one of every color. This is such a cute and comfortable romper. You're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.